Welcome to the Reads Analytics overview video. I'm happy that you've decided you're going to set up Reads Analytics, and let's get right to it. This is the menu you're going to be working from most of the time. You access this menu from our main menu. Set up Reads Analytics right down here for your district. And this is the video you're watching right now, the overview video that says watch first. In general, these things are set up in order. So you're gonna set up your data entry form for the SEL tool first. You're gonna enter some data, and then you're gonna set up the analytics. Once you've set up the analytics, then you're going to set up the calculated fields. The calculated fields are difficult to set up; they're a chore, but they add a lot of power. So you don't want to skip it. But that's the last step. So you set up the form, you enter a bunch of data. You may go 3 months before you set up the analytics, and that's fine. You want to make sure there's a bunch of data there. You cannot set up the analytics without any data. And you set up behavior form is the same deal. Set up the form, then you set up the analytics, then you set up the calculated fields. You got to have data before you can set up the behavior analytics. Same with the academic tool. Start with the form, go to the analytics, and then the calculated field last. This button sends you to the Google Drive, the shared Google Drive that we have shared with you. And here are all the forms, and here are all the spreadsheets where the data is stored. You type the data into the academic, well, for example, you type the data into the demo with your academic skills form, and that data then appears in this spreadsheet. So the form looks like this, and this is where the data gets entered. You choose a term and enter all the data, and then that data appears in this spreadsheet as one line. So that entire form is one line of this spreadsheet. And that's how this works. And Google Data Studio is a very powerful application. And our behavior analytics is a huge spreadsheet with tens of thousands of entries, and Google can parse that information and digest it in instants and show it on the screen. It's really pretty cool and powerful. So one of the things you'll notice here is that the analytics aren't here. Like here's the form for collecting SEL data, and here's the spreadsheet that holds the SEL data. However, the actual analytics report, it's not here. That's kept over in Google Analytics. And so to see that report, the best way to access it is to actually go to Analytics. And this blue icon will take you to your Analytics dashboard where all your reports are stored. Here are all our reports for the demo. So the analytics reports are actually stored in they're not stored in your Google Drive. They're stored in sort of a different location. So the last thing I want to show you are these other resources that are available to help you. And so if you click, so the next video you want to watch is the How to DIY. It teaches you just how to work with YouTube videos. This maintenance video, you don't want to watch that until you've set up some stuff, and then you can look at that if you want to. YouTube, this sends you straight to our YouTube channel, so you can see if there are any new videos here that you might want to watch, or you can go and look for old videos that might be sort of archived there. And then the last button here takes you to our Discord server. And if you're a member of Discord, I don't know why I'm getting this error, but it's there. Believe me, it's there. If you're a member of Discord, you can go in there and you can ask the community questions, and folks will answer you. That's an overview of the of setting up the analytics for your district. I wish you good luck in setting this stuff up, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.